dude.
You're not gonna recognize that car in a few months.
No, I know.
Paperwork's already done. We've already did the transaction, and now we're gonna head back to the house. We'll check in back there once we get there. So we'll see you guys back at the house.
Terminated.
All right, so babe, what do you think of the new whip?
I haven't really seen it.
She done spilled the beans. We got two vehicles.
How did you not spill the beans in your video?
I didn't show him nothing. I haven't told him anything. Did I? No. You done spilled the beans. You ruined my video. What is going on? Finally, the new addition to the Joyride family. We got us a 2003 Terminator Cobra. I'm super excited because we're gonna be doing lots and lots of fun stuff and fun videos. And before some people get real confused, see that in the background? The GT500, it's still here. The GT500 is not going anywhere because I know a lot of people would see this, oh, it's a new car. Did you get rid of the No, we did not get rid of the GT500. The GT500 is not ever going anywhere, but we did add this. I think I've said it before in other videos. The GT500 is not ever going anywhere. I can promise you that, just like Laura already did. She spilled the beans. We didn't just get a Terminator Cobra. We got two vehicles. So if you guys aren't already subscribed or you haven't already hit the notification bell, you might want to do that so you guys get notified when that new video drops for the reveal of the other vehicle. So I want you guys to just start commenting. Let me know like your ideas. What should we do? Where should we go with this? We could do so many things with this. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hop back inside. I'm gonna probably pull this, raise the GT500 up, put the Cobra back in the garage. But let me know what you guys thought of this video, the reveal, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. She looks good next to the GT500. Look at that. We can't ever get rid of this.